Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Suri Studio. Coming to this Linux season, today we will discuss about job automation. Job automation means we may have some tasks to do on regular basis in production environment. That such tasks means backing up the databases and updating the systems, performing periodic reboots, and also need to run some scripts to do the data and need to some jobs to import and exports into automatically to the servers and gives the reports to the users or customers or else end users. This process known as the job scheduling. This usually in Windows we can do as a task scheduler, we can use to create a tasks and all to do jobs and all, but in Linux these tasks referred as a cron jobs. Cron jobs to use it for automation of tasks and all. Okay. The importance of these job scheduling is to critical tasks like this one backups and all every day or else some intervals time intervals we need to run the taken in the nights can easily perform without intervention of the manual tasks. We can schedule the jobs. Then cron is the daemon that allows to schedule these jobs which are then carried out the specific intervals. Okay. Crontab file, where we can find this crontab file means this /etc/crontab. This file contains the rules or commands that specify time intervals of execution of tasks. Actually in cron jobs we have a 6 fields is there. First one here, see here, first star is the minutes, means on which minute it's that job should be run. Then hours, hours means 0 to 24 we can refer, means on which hour need to run on day of the month, first to 31st, on which day that job need to run or else that scripts need to or else that backup of the database need to take. And next one is the month of the year, on which month or if you need to run this job and all every month we can put it as every month. Also we can just give star, it's take the every month, or else in particularly January February or else some tasks need to do on year end or else quarterly, we can put that months. Next one is the day in week, means on which day, Saturday or Sunday or Monday. Okay. Then command, which command need to execute, that one means need to run the scripts or need to take the backup of the server or else need to create a some files, need to copy the files to another location, like that commands need to we need to execute. These all are the 6 fields in /etc/crontab. Okay, we have another files as well. Important, crontab stores all scheduled jobs. Next, cron.deny means file used to restrict users from using the cron jobs. For example, new employee is joined into the organization, but he is the new user. He means we need to restrict that user to run the cron jobs. At that time, we can enter, means we can add that user into this file. That user can't do means can't run the cron jobs and all. Cron allow, then cron dot allow to allow only users whose names are mentioned in this file to use the cron jobs. Then crontab commands. What is the commands we can use to do these job automations and all? Crontab -e means edit your crontab file or create one. If means if nothing is there in that server, we can create using the crontab -e. In this file, we can create the one jobs, means it's like a VA editor. We need to edit this file with VA editor, then we can add as per the time intervals, as per which command need to run on server. Then we can save that file, then the cron jobs will trigger. Next, crontab -l to view cron jobs that we have created. Means in server how many cron jobs are means currently running, means currently scheduling. We can see with crontab -l. Crontab -r remove your crontab file. To remove all crontab means if no need to do the cron jobs now, we can use the crontab -r to remove all cron jobs. Then crontab -u means it's a user mode, means same like if you want to edit the crontab file with user, crontab -u -e we can use. If you want to view the cron jobs under that particular user, we can use the crontab -u -l. That username we need to mention. That particular user have any cron tabs, it will show like that. Then we can check the logs of the cron jobs. We can check in /var/log /cron. This is the file. Can check the cron jobs logs. These 6 fields are the importance. This first one minutes, next hours, next day in the month in a year, then day in a week, then commands need to execute. Which command need to? If you want to run every 5 minutes or every 5 hours, star by 5 we can use. Means if you give the r commands, we can give the comma symbol in between. Okay, we can use it. Let me open putty. It's done. First we can check assigned cron jobs currently logged in user, means as it is a root, we can see all cron jobs. Cron tab -l. See, no cron tab for root. Nothing is there. No cron tab for root. If you want to check the for users and all, /etc. No users is there. If you want to check this Apache user, for example, if you want to check any cron jobs for this Apache user, we can use crontab -l -u. Which user? Apache. No crontab for Apache as well. Okay, we can create it one jobs crontab -e. See, it's opened. We can create one every minute star insert mode star by 1 means it's every minute it should it will run 3 4. Then which command need to? Date command, and that output need to stored in /dev /suri /1. Okay, for example, this date every minute this command will run and that output will stored in this location. WQ. See this one. Cron tab, installing new cron tab. We can go to the path cd/dev/suri. No such file directory. Okay, then cron tab -l. We can create it, then cd/dev ls Story is not there. We can create mkdir Suri ls cd Suri ls. Nothing is there. Touch. We can create one file. And yeah, now it's created. Cat 1. See here, we didn't add anything. The job ran and the date is created. Wait for 1 more minute. That another again after 1 minute that job will trigger. Again this output stored in here. Let's wait for 1 more minute. We can check it. This cron job service is cron d. We can call it as a daemon. Cron job daemon service is cron d. Okay. That one also we can schedule a cron job means under the one user also we can create it. It's 1 minute. After 1 minute that another one. Now see here, before it's a 51 is there, now it's a 52. Every 1 minute that job will trigger that output stored into this file. Okay, then if you want to create a cron job on Sunday 22nd November at 1:30 a.m. Okay, how we can create means at that time this one date we can check it now. December 20, we can create at 11:55. We can create one directory. We can create the job crontab -e insert mode. First one is minutes are to 55 minutes, so we can create 55 minutes and 11 hours. Then today's date is 26th. 26th December means 12th, or else we can call it as a today is Tuesday means 0 Sunday 1 2 2. We can give mkdir /root. One file need to create cron. Just see, installing new cron tab. It's installing. We can check it. Date 11:54 now. Okay, let's wait for 1 more minute. Directory is created or not. See, now it's not there. See, file is created, directory is created. That cron job will trigger that command, then directory is created here. Like that we can, for example, crontab -l. See, two cron jobs is there. Here is the minutes at 55 minutes, hours 11 hours 55 minutes, 26 is the date. This is the month 12 I can give, or else you can give the first 3 letters of the month like DEC January, like that. Or here this is the day, which day, Sunday or Monday or Tuesday. You can give the numbers, or else you can give the Sunday Monday SUNMYNTU, like that. That first 3 letters of that one. And if you want to restrict any these cron jobs for that user and all, we can use cron /etc/cron. nothing is there. First we can cd/etc cronjobs. See, deny is there. If you want to restrict any user and all, you can add that user into this file. See here, now nothing is there. If you want to vi insert, for example, Linux user is there. If you want to restrict this user to run the cron jobs, just give simply, then save it. Okay, that user can't run any cron jobs in the server. If you want to allow, you can create one file vi allow user allow test. These two users can run the cron jobs. Okay. This is all about cron jobs and all. If you want to remove the cron jobs, just crontab -r you can give. This is the text file. Cron jobs important 6 fields is there. One is minutes, then configuration files where it is in here. Crontab -l do display the cron jobs. This and all. See, for example, by 2 treated as every 2 minutes, hours, days, months. 246 means it treated as a hour, means second minute or fourth minute or sixth minute. 429 means in between. We can call it as a in between, like that. This is the scheduling the jobs and how we can trigger the jobs. And if you want to check the logs, we can check it here. Can go to here, cat/var log cron. See, today what we can do: list root Apache, we can list it. Begin edit means crontab -u it test it, replace, end edit, list it. See here, the date stored into this. Every minute it's storing date to this date output stored into this path /dev/suri/1. Okay. If you want to remove crontab -u, we can use like this, or else we can insert. I can comment these two, then these jobs won't trigger. See, installing new cron tabs. Now if you want to open this, see here, begin edit, replace it, end edit. Which user it is? Root user. Begin the edit and replace it the some data in that crontab -e file. Then that edit is ended, like that. These all are the logs. This is the that crontab trigger time. See, it's reloaded again. This that mkdir mean that cron directory is created under root. These all are the logs of the cron jobs. It's all about automation using the cron jobs. Okay guys, thanks. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.